Introduction to honey production. Honey is a remarkable substance produced by bees through a complex process that involves their foraging, digestion, and hive activities. This sweet, viscous liquid has been valued by humans for thousands of years for its taste, medicinal properties, and role in various culinary traditions. Understanding how bees make honey and why it is important sheds light on both their ecological role and the benefits honey provides. The foraging process. Bees start the honey-making process by foraging for nectar, which is a sugary liquid produced by flowers. Worker bees visit flowers, using their long, tube-like tongues to collect nectar. As they gather nectar, they also collect pollen, which helps in the pollination of plants. The nectar is stored in a special stomach called the honey stomach, separate from the bee's digestive stomach. Nectar conversion. Once the worker bee returns to the hive, it transfers the nectar to a hive bee through a process called trophallaxis, where nectar is regurgitated and passed between bees. Inside the hive, bees deposit the nectar into hexagonal beeswax cells. To transform the nectar into honey, bees need to reduce its water content. They do this by fanning their wings to create airflow that evaporates the excess moisture. Enzymatic action. During the nectar conversion process, bees also introduce enzymes from their saliva into the nectar. One key enzyme, invertase, breaks down sucrose, table sugar, in the nectar into simpler sugars, glucose, and fructose. This enzymatic action is crucial because it converts nectar into honey and helps to prevent fermentation by lowering the water content. Wax sealing and storage. Once the nectar has thickened into honey, bees seal the filled cells with a thin layer of beeswax. This wax sealing protects the honey from moisture and contaminants, allowing it to be stored for long periods. Honey stored in these cells serves as a vital food source for the hive, especially during the winter months when foraging is not possible. Importance of honey for bees. Honey is essential for the survival of bee colonies. It provides the necessary energy and nutrients needed to sustain the hive through periods of food scarcity. During winter or when flowers are not in bloom, bees rely on their stored honey to survive. The honey acts as a crucial food source that ensures the colony remains active and healthy. Ecological impact and pollination. Bees play a critical role in ecosystems through their pollination activities. As they forage for nectar, they inadvertently transfer pollen from one flower to another, facilitating plant reproduction. This process is essential for the production of many fruits, vegetables, and nuts. By producing honey, bees contribute to their pollination services, indirectly supporting agricultural productivity and biodiversity. Human benefits of honey. For humans, honey is valued for its culinary uses, medicinal properties, and nutritional benefits. It is a natural sweetener that can be used in a variety of recipes and is known for its potential antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Honey also contains antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, making it a healthful addition to the diet. Conservation and environmental concerns. The decline in bee populations due to factors such as habitat loss, pesticide use, and climate change poses a threat to honey production and pollination services. Conservation efforts are critical to protect bee habitats and ensure the continued availability of honey. Supporting practices that promote healthy bee populations can help sustain both honey production and ecosystem health. Conclusion. The process by which bees make honey is a fascinating example of nature's intricate systems. From foraging and nectar conversion to honey storage and hive survival, bees demonstrate a complex and efficient method of honey production. Honey is not only vital for bee colonies but also provides significant benefits to humans and ecosystems. Understanding and supporting the health of bee populations is crucial for maintaining this valuable natural resource and ensuring the continued health of our environment.